Students, I'm Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is a very happy news for CA Foundation students. Today CA Institute has made an official announcement that from November 2021 examination onwards, they are going to eliminate 3 chapters from the syllabus of Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning and Statistics paper, that is paper 3. So the chapter names are, one is matrices. Everybody knows that it's not so important chapter, but frankly speaking, it's a very easy chapter. It's very easy to learn matrices chapter, but still CA Institute has thought of eliminating the same. And another chapter that they have eliminated is syllogism in the subject of reasoning. So frankly speaking, it's one of the toughest chapter in reasoning subject. So in my opinion, syllogism chapter is something which is beyond the understanding capacity of the students who might have just finished their intermediate. So maybe with that reason, they may thought of eliminating this chapter. And the third chapter that they have eliminated is time series. Actually, earlier when CPT curriculum was there, this time series chapter was not there. So earlier there used to be a chapter called sampling. Now in CA Foundation curriculum, they have eliminated the chapter of sampling and they have introduced the chapter of time series. Now CA Institute has taken a revised decision that they want to drop this chapter from the syllabus of CA Foundation. Definitely it's a welcoming move for all the students of CA Foundation. But unfortunately, this decision does not apply to the students who are going to write their CA Foundation examinations in May 2021 cycle. That is, which are going to be held in June 2021. So this decision will apply for all the students of CA Foundation who are going to write their examinations on or after November 2021, my dear students. So please inform the same to all your friends who are doing CA Foundation. By the way, please like this video and subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon so that whenever a new video is released, you will be notified. And please also install our Android app, Masterminds Online Classes app. So if you belong to iOS platform, then install Class Plus app and enter the organization code as MZGUN. If you have any doubts with respect to academics, you can directly interact with me through my mail ID. I am leaving my mail ID in the description of this video. And please do follow our Facebook and Instagram pages, Masterminds for CA. All the best.